Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never ran.
I'll be showing you how to upload PDF files and edit them in Canva. Go to Create a Design and Import File. Locate the PDF file from your computer's local drive. You can check the progress of upload here and wait until the upload is done. Once it's done, you can open the PDF file uploaded. Here I uploaded my resume as a sample PDF. You can adjust the overlapping text elements. So here I finished editing all the text elements. I also uploaded another version of my resume. This one is a PDF copy of my resume I created from Microsoft Word. By the way, the other resume I uploaded earlier is a version of my resume I created in Canva. I just want to show you the difference between the two PDF copies of my resumes in editing in Canva. So here we can see that almost all the elements are in image form. And if we zoom it in, we can see that there is a shadow behind each text element. So that is the image form. This resume I created from Microsoft Word is from the free templates you can find in Microsoft. Editing this will be quite a bit longer than the first one because I will have to pick each text elements and then remove the background images. Yeah, so that's the difference between the two PDF copies of my resume I have. Both are fully editable using Canva. Going back to the first copy of my resume I edited in Canva, I think it's all good now and we can download the copy. So that's how we upload and edit our PDF files using Canva. It's straightforward and easy to use. I hope you learned something and I'll see you in next tutorials. Thank you!
Still go.